Sup, Dave here. This morning I was laying in bed when, for no discernible reason, I got the hiccups.
What?
Anyway, there I was, enduring what is surely one of the top 5 most annoying experiences a living being will ever live through, when I started to consider the meaning of life. As you do. Now, the meaning of life is actually quite simple and basically the same for all animals. Eat, survive, and breed. But humans, being one of the few sentients in existence, are sensitive and don't like to think of themselves as animals anymore. So I had to dig a little deeper. What I came up with is, you do you, boo-boo. As long as you're doing something that makes you smile, and you're not stomping on someone else's nuts while you're doing it, I think that's all you might need to make it through living on this blue-green space nugget of a planet. I didn't think anybody was gonna buy this one either, but it was about that time the hiccups subsided, and I was able to drift back to La La Land, dreaming of spaceships, watermelons, world domination, and prancing llamas. Anyway, bye. What other sentient beings are there? Oh, on Earth, there's only one, and it's the dung beetle. Well, all humans do is wake up, get out of bed, and deal with other people's crap all day, and they're sentient. So by that logic,